If you live in a small apartment and end up buying herbs only to use them once before throwing them away, or even worse, skip fresh herbs altogether and settle for dried, then a small home hydroponic garden may be exactly what you didn't know you needed. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing, go over the quick setup, and get started with our AeroGarden. Got some recipes for pesto and tomato cucumber salad with mint. Quick setup guide. Let's get everything out first. Alright, as you can see, the footprint is pretty small. Here's our plug. We got our seed pod kit with 6 pods. Let's see what the guide shows. This is where the pods are going to go into. Alright, so from this view we can see the pump. There's a little bit of a foam pad to prevent roots from getting sucked up into it. And we also see where to fill the water level up to. Alright, so next we just take the power adapter, plug it into the back of the AeroGarden and plug it into the wall. So as soon as you plug it in, the main screen will turn on. We'll get to that in a second, but then the next step is to fill the tank up with water and add nutrients. Alright, this is what's in the seed starter kit. You also get liquid plant food, and you get your covers. As far as the nutrients go, you add 2 capfuls every 2 weeks, which is equivalent to about 8 cc's. I chose to use a syringe to make the measurement a little bit easier. Cover, I'm going to place that back on. I'm going to take our seed pods, place those back in. domes. and that's to increase the humidity in each one. So the light support allows you to adjust the height of the light, and as per the instructions, you should try to get the light to be between 4 to 6 inches above the leaves once they start growing. Getting the AeroGarden to start up is actually pretty straightforward. You hit the leaf, then you set the clock, then you move on to select which type of garden you're going to be growing, hit the leaf again, and the garden starts up. In the long term, you have to add nutrients every 2 weeks. They also recommend that you change out the water in the tank once a month. And that's it. I'll check back in a few weeks to show you whether or not this worked out for me or whether or not it was a complete flop. See you on the next one.